All right, let's talk mutual funds for 2025. Here's the simple framework to get you started.
So what's that number? It's the record amount Indians are putting into mutual funds every single month.
Yep, that's an all-time high for monthly SIPs. You can tell confidence is really growing.
So with all that momentum, the big question is, where do you even begin? Let's figure that out.
First up, let's get to know the 5 main types of funds. Think of them like your building blocks.
These funds mix stocks for growth with bonds for a bit of a safety net.
They're a great starting point for conservative investors who want that nice, balanced market exposure.
And the experts seem to agree. They call it the sweet spot for today's market.
Next, we've got large caps. You're basically investing in India's top 100 biggest companies.
These are perfect if you're a bit risk-averse and want to build wealth steadily over time.
Then there are flexi-cap funds. The name says it all. They're flexible, investing wherever they see fit.
So, if you want a strategy that can quickly jump on opportunities, these are for you. Mid-caps target those companies in the middle, not the biggest, but with huge growth potential.
These are for investors who can handle more risk for potentially much higher long-term returns.
And finally, small caps. They invest in small, emerging companies. Think highest risk, highest potential growth.
Yep, these are definitely for high-risk investors with a long-term plan, like 7 years plus.
And research shows friends are really leaning into this, trying to catch that early growth. Okay, let's recap. Each fund has its own risk level and goal, from stability to max growth.
So now you know the options, but how do you actually build a strategy? Let's break it down.
It boils down to 3 key things: deciding your asset mix, diversifying, and checking in regularly.
A conservative plan might be heavy on large caps. An aggressive one leans more into mid and small caps.
Ultimately, real success comes from discipline and a long-term view, not just chasing trends.
So here's the final question. Are you building a strategy for the long haul or just guessing?